Hey guys, my name is Marcus with WTI, and today I want to show you guys this Ray-Ban glasses. This is the frame. It's a black frame one, and it's really good. I've been using this for quite some time now, and they've been really great material. Now the good thing about this is that they're very durable as well, and it's great to keep your lenses as well. Now because it does have curvature at the back, and on this part here, it's not too heavy. It doesn't become too heavy on your nose or on your ears either. Now this is good because I like them, especially because they're very minimalistic, very stylish though, and their curvature is very nice. It fits perfectly on your shape of your face. So if you're looking for something that's going to be very durable, something that's going to be great for outdoor and for something more professional, or if you're working in the office, and I would highly recommend this, and that's just my point of view.